actually we're gonna show you a little bit about what street foods are like here in the Philippines. If you'd like to try, feel free and just let us know. If you're a little full, you can also tell us. We can also take you on a small tour into the market if you'd like to see more of it. Up to you. We'll follow you.
Yeah, following you.
Let's walk first.
Okay, we're walking to the market. And usually Filipinos, we go to the market at 3 a.m. in the morning.
3 a.m.?
Yeah, to get the most fresh.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense.
Yeah.
But jeez.
With that one, those are bargain. Bargain 3-4 pieces. Yeah.
Interesting.
And then pants for only 80 pesos. You see that?
80
That's street
pesos,
shop
that's
there.
not bad at all.
Yeah, $1 and some cents.
And you can also buy household items, anything like that. I think that man is also going to send the buying.
Yeah. That's bargain.
Now, from there, we also have the wet market where you can buy.
You have this kind in your hometown or in America?
In America, yeah, you can
yeah,
find
you
this. It's not abundant, but you can find it.
Yeah.
You can definitely find it. Oh, nice.
We have the hanger or CP.
Basically all the home
all
house
home.
appliances, household needs.
We
Interesting.
do have rags. And then this one, sponge.
Interesting. You get everything here.
Yep, we have anything. And then that one is vinegar. Vinegar from coconut.
Let it be long enough and it'll become alcohol.
Yeah.
Here, sir, we'll go this way to the right. Go down the mill.
Dito tayo, babe.
Mas gusto mo dyan?
Yeah, mas gusto ko dito. Tara.
She recommends it.
Yeah, I recommend because the market is in here. The water, I mean the wet market.
The wet markets, got you. Okay.
And we do have this bigas, the rice.
Oh, that's rice. Nice.
Rice. And also the eggs. And eggs here are cheaper than in America.
I believe, yes, I believe that.
So 24 pieces, you can have 200 pesos. One
Wow.
tray.
Hey, what's up, big man?
Opo, cheaper egg here. Yeah, in Manila it's expensive, but here it's cheaper.
Usually in cities, everything is more expensive.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we also have the red salt egg.
Wow.
That's a duck egg too.
This is duck egg. It's
Yeah.
dilute.
This one,
Oh, no bueno.
duck egg. So as you can see, 260 for XL, large 230, medium. One tray is 200.
Right.
So for 24 pieces.
Wow.
Yep. 30.
Nice.
30 pieces. One tray.
One tray.
Okay, let's go.
200 pesos. That's crazy.
So this right here, we'll take this stuff out of it and look at it. What they do is
You
that they will
can
salt
see that's bagoong.
or they'll just put it in
That's salty shrimp. That's
Salty shrimp?
like shrimp paste.
This here.
And then this one is the quail egg.
Quail egg, yeah.
And then anchovy.
Anchovies. What we don't like on pizza.
And then also you can see a bunch of different dried fish. And then
How you doing? Hey, what's going on?
yeah.
No, I'm good.
That one is tilapia. I know you have tilapia in your country.
Yeah, the same.
That's a bone feeder. But
Tilapia.
anyway.
Yeah.
And then this one, this is bangus.
Okay.
This is our national fish. So as you can see, the light scale, that's why we call it milkfish. But it is bangus in Tagalog. And that's a very bony fish.
Bony fish. Oh, see, that's when I stay away from
And
that.
also, we also call that milkfish because of the belly. The belly tastes creamy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then most of the Filipinos like the belly part, right,
Gotcha.
Mom? Yeah.
Interesting. Interesting.
And we have them here, bangus, the live bangus. Yeah. It's catchy if you buy a live one, live
one.
fish.
Interesting.
We have also here the mackerel. Mackerels, we call it galunggong,
Galunggong.
gigi. And then that one, squid.
Squid, right? Yeah.
Yeah, like tabang. And then our bangus can live in salt and also sweet.
Gotcha.
In lake.
In lake.
Or
Sweet.
even in creek. Yeah. This one on the anchovies.
Anchovies.
Yeah.
This is what we don't put on pizza.
And then this one, we half it, make it half, slice it in half. And then you can see the belly. This is bangus. Bangus. That's we like that part, the middle part.
And this whole place is considered a wet market.
Yeah, it's considered a wet market. And then this one, the shrimp, the small shrimp.
This is shrimp?
Yes, it's small shrimp.
Oh, wow. I almost thought it was tuna.
Nah, it's a shrimp. You can see this.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Wow. That's crazy. If you look closely, you can actually really see it.
You
can see it.
Fresh bagoong.
Fresh bagoong, yeah. Ayan, we call that alamang. And different kinds of tuna and mackerel. We have a lot of different kinds of mackerel and tunas here.
Interesting.
This is a good fish too.
And then he said there's yellowfin tuna there. Yellowfin. And then crab. We also have mussels.
I love mussels.
You like mussels?
Yeah. Look how big.
And then that's
squid.
And then that one, the algae. Yeah, the algae.
Algae?
Yeah, algae.
Pusit po. Ili lang.
They're not Filipino. Sige.
That's interesting.
Oh, that one, octopus.
Octopus.
No? That's octopus.
I like the squid.
This one squid, this is octopus. Anong tawag niyo po dito? Huh? Kiwas. Look at how thin it is.
Wow.
Kiwas. They call it kiwas. And then that one, oh, you see this.
Yeah.
Ano po ito, fly fish?
What?
Ha? Silu?
Ito yung payang yung may pakpak.
Yeah, pero flying fish.
It is flying fish.
Hindi daw eh. No eh. Anong tawag po dito? Silu. But looks like a sardine.
Yeah, yeah. Or a big marlin.
Yeah.
A little marlin.
Yeah. This way. And then, so if there is a seafood area, this is for the meat.
Got it.
And you can... And then you can see intestine, chicken intestine. So nothing to be grown. And then the sea, baka. And then that one. We also have our
Huh?
Sige po, diretso. Let's go, go. And they're also selling snacks made of rice. A lot of made of rice. Sticky rice.
Take tissue. Look at. Meron tissue?
Our dresses.
Yeah, I'm looking at them.
Duster.
Thank you.
Nabili siya ng tissue.
Okay.
She's right there.
Di ba yung magkita ng bahay? Alam mo lang ito ng bahay na. Pinakita ko doon sa
Tagaytay po.
Are you looking for one with straw or just a regular baseball bat?
No, so I want to go running with it. So I want to get like waterproof, something like that.
Okay, then I think that something like that would be better found in one of the shops there.
Okay. And as long as there's a flag on it. A flag or something that says Philippines.
That's the bukyo there.
Okay.
It's powered by electricity or diesel. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Gotcha.
And our hot dog here is red.
Hot dog's hair is red? What? That's crazy.
Yeah. In here we have lumpia.
There's also many different kinds
Yeah,
of
the
street
different
food.
kinds of street food.
You can try something that's made like a rice cake. There's also different items where they're like either savory or sweet egg rolls made with different ingredients like banana or
Right.
even vegetables, different things like that. Feel free to tell us if there's something you'd like.
Okay.
We can go from there.
Absolutely.
So this is the lumpia, the spring roll. It is good for vegetarians. We also have kasaba. May kasaba dyan na kasaba cake. We also have puto. Hi. Malinaw na ang puto. Yeah. We also have
Yes, Luma.
Luma.
Magkano daw po?
35.
I don't really do sweets.
All right.
How about lumpia?
What is
That's
that?
the spring roll.
Oh, it's a
with
spring roll.
Spring roll.
I'll try the spring roll. I'll try the spring roll.
Bilan mo na din.
You need more?
Would you also like to try it?
Make sure you eat it, huh?
Yeah, I will. I will. I'm not. I'm not. Just one.
Sampu lang po yung isa.
I like all of them.
Lumpia.
Mama, suka ma'am, lagay na.
Anong tawag niya?
However it should be made, I'll take it. Thank you.
Roll of sweet rice.
Binigay ma'am, binigay.
Separate. Or you wanna put it inside?
Yeah, why not?
Sama na, ma'am? Oo, konti lang. Konti lang, ma'am. Which one? Yan na, ma'am.
Just a little bit. Thank you. I'm gonna try this.
Province. My mom made it.
Yeah. You see some interesting dogs out here.
Hindi, okay lang po. Ayun. Hindi ko na po siya. Also have turon. Turon, wrap banana, sir. Hindi kapag ka, mag-picture ka ha. Picture mo yung bigay mo.
My picture, my camera.
I need to get pineapple later.
Kasi baka mag-picture.
Can I take a picture of
Can
this?
I take a picture?
Sorry, man. All right, let's head on in.
You feel it?
This one is Gucci.
All right, let's go. Just right behind us here.